Now students, question number 12. The two APs have the same common difference. Students, we have two AP. We have two different AP, but common difference of both AP is same. Students, we have two APs, but common difference of AP is same. The difference between their 100 term is 100. स्टूडेंट, आपके पास बोथ एपी के जो 100 टर्म्स है, डिफरेंस क्या गिवन है? 100 है. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर 1000 टर्म्स? क्या फाइंड करना है आपको? 1000 टर्म का डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है. स्टूडेंट, सपोज 100 term of first AP is A100 and 100 term of second AP is A-100. स्टूडेंट, आपने फर्स्ट एपी की जो 100 टर्म्स है वो क्या सपोज किया आपने? 100. और जो सेकंड एपी की 100 टर्म है उसको सपोज किया आपने A-100. आपको डिफरेंस गिवन है, डिफरेंस इज 100 एंड आपको फाइंड करना है डिफरेंस ऑफ 1000 टर्म. इट मीन्स A1000 माइनस A-1000 फाइंड करना है. स्टूडेंट, लेट फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ AP is small a and second term of A and first term of second AP is capital A. स्टूडेंट, आपने फर्स्ट एपी की फर्स्ट टर्म है उसको स्मॉल ए कंसिडर किया हुआ है. सेकंड एपी की जो फर्स्ट टर्म है उसको आपने कैपिटल ए कंसिडर किया हुआ है. कॉमन डिफरेंस डी सेम है, सो कॉमन डिफरेंस आपने सपोज किया है डी एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस इज डी. नाउ वी फाइंड 100 term of first AP, so A100 A plus 100 minus 1 into D, which is A plus 99D. Now we find 100 term of second AP, A100 dash A plus 100 minus 1 into D, which is A plus 99D. Now students, we given A100 minus A dash 100 equal to 100. So value of A100 is A plus 99D. Value of A dash 100 A plus 99D equal to 100. So A plus 99D minus A minus 99D equal to 100. Cancel out. 99 common. So 99 D cancel out. So students, A minus small a is 100. It means difference of first term of both AP is 100. We find difference of 1000 term. So 1000 term of first AP, A plus 1000 minus 1 into D, which is A plus 999D. 1000 term of second AP, A plus 1000 minus 1 into D, A plus 999D. We find difference of 1000 terms of both AP, which is A plus 999D minus A minus 999D. Cancel out. Which is A minus capital A. Value of A minus capital A is 100. So students, difference of their 1000 term also be 100. Students, difference of their 1000 term also be 100. Now students, question number 13. How many 3-digit number are divisible by 7? Students, आपको टोटल 3-digit नंबर फाइंड करना है विच इज डिविजिबल बाय 7. स्टूडेंट, 3-digit नंबर आपके पास 100 to 999 ऑल आर 3-digit नंबर्स. 100 to 999 all are 3-digit number, and we find how many 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. स्टूडेंट आपके पास 3-digit number क्या है? 100 to 999 क्या आपके पास 3-digit numbers है, और आपको क्या करना है? टोटल नंबर्स फाइंड करने हैं जो क्या है 7 से डिविजिबल है. क्लियर? नाउ स्टूडेंट वी फाइंड स्मॉलेस्ट 3-digit number which is divisible by 7, which is divisible by 7. Now students, we find smallest 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. Student आपको फर्स्टली क्या फाइंड करना है? आपको स्मॉलेस्ट 3-digit नंबर फाइंड करना है जो क्या है 7 से डिविजिबल है, which is 105. 105 is smallest 3-digit number which is divisible by 5. Now next number is 112. Now next number is 119, and so on. Now students, we find largest 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. स्टूडेंट आपको क्या करना है? लार्जेस्ट 3-digit नंबर फाइंड करना है जो क्या है 7 से डिविजिबल है, विच इज 994. आपके पास आपने क्या किया स्टूडेंट? फर्स्टली आपने 7 से डिविजिबल स्मॉलेस्ट 3-digit नंबर फाइंड किया विच इज 105, एंड आपने लार्जेस्ट 3-digit number find किया which is divisible by 7. So this is AP. Value of A is 105, value of D is 7, and last term is 994. Students, we know that L equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Value of A is 994, value of L is 994, value of A is 104. 105 and minus 1 into D. 994 minus 104, 105, 7 into n minus 1. Subtract this. Which is 889. 7 into n minus 1. Divide this. N minus 1 equal to 129 and equal to 130. So there are total 130 terms which is 3-digit number and divisible by 130. So students, there are 130 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. Now students, question number 15. For what values of n are the nth term of 2AP? First AP is 63, 65, 67 and so on, and second term, second AP is 3, 7, 3, 10, 17, and we find value of n. आपको क्या करना है? n की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है फॉर विच nth टर्म आर इक्वल. स्टूडेंट आपके पास 2 डिफरेंट AP गिवन है और आपको ये फाइंड करना है कि बोथ AP की कौन सी टर्म इक्वल है, विच टर्म बी इक्वल. स्टूडेंट for first AP 63, 65, 67. Student, and second AP 3, 10, 17. Student, suppose nth term of AP be equal. Let nth terms of both AP be equal. It means nth term of first AP and nth term of second AP is equal. Now students, we find nth term of first AP. For first AP, first term is 63, common difference is 2. For second AP, first term is 3, common difference is 7. Now nth term of first AP 63 plus n minus 1 into D, and that term of second AP 3 plus n minus 1 into D. So 63 plus 2 n minus 1, 3 plus 7 into n minus 1. Student, shift here, 2 into n minus 1 minus 7 into n minus 1, 3 minus 63, n minus 1 common out, 2 minus 7, minus 60, which is minus 5. Minus 5 into n minus 1 equal to minus 60. Minus minus cancel out. N minus 1 equal to 12. So n equal to 13. It means 13 terms of both AP is equal. It means 13 terms of both AP is equal. Now students, question number 16. Determine the AP whose third term is 16. Determine the AP whose third term is 16. It means we given A3 equal to 16 and 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12 and 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. Student, try this question by as a question number 10. Student, question number 16 and question number 10 both are same. Try this question. Now students, question number 18. The sum of 4th term and 8th term of AP is 24. Students, we given sum of 4th term and 8th term is 24 and sum of 6th term and 10th term is 44. Sum of 6th term and 10th term is 44. Find the first 3 term. Student, आपके पास 4th term and 8th term का सम गिवन है 24 and 6th term और 10th term का सम गिवन है 44 and find first 3 term. Student, आपको first 3 term find करनी है. It means A1, A2 and A3 find करने हैं. Student, firstly we find first term and common difference. Students, आपको क्या करना है? Firstly आपको first term and common difference find करना है. By first term and common difference we find any terms. Student, आप first term और common difference के हेल्प से any terms find कर सकते हो. So students, let first term is A. First term of AP is A and common difference is D. Student, we suppose first term is A and common difference is D. Now we given 4th term. So A4, A plus 4 minus 1 into D, which is A plus 3D. 8th term, A8, A plus 8 minus 1 into D, which is A plus 7D. A6, A plus 6 minus 1 into D, A plus 5D. A10, A plus 10 minus 1 into D, which is A plus 9D. Now students, put the value of A4, A8, A6, A10 in equation 1 and 2. So value of A4 is A plus 3D, value of A8 A plus 7D equal to 24. Simplify this. When we simplify, 2A plus 10D equal to 24. This equation divided by 2, equation को क्या करा हमने 2 से डिवाइड किया. When we divided by 2, A plus 5D equal to 12. Consider equation 3. Now put value of A6 and A10 equation 2. So value of A6 A plus 5D, value of A10 A plus 9D equal to 44. Simplify this equation. 2A plus 14D equal to 44. Divided this equation by 2. So A plus 7D equal to 22. Students, we simplify equation 1, equation 3 and 4. So solving equation 3 and 4. When we solve, A plus 7D equal to 22, A plus 5D equal to 12. Subtract this, minus minus cancel out. 2D equal to 10, D equal to 5. It means common difference of AP is 5. Students, put value of D in equation 3 and 4. Equation 3 और equation 4. Student, आपको D की value 3 और 4 any equation put करना है. So putting value of D in equation 3. आपने D की value put किया. So A plus 5 into 5 equal to 12. A plus 25 equal to 12. So a equal to minus 13. It means first term of AP is minus 13. First term of AP is minus 13 and common difference of AP is 5. We find second term A2. स्टूडेंट आपको सेकंड टर्म फाइंड करना है. सेकंड टर्म फाइंड करने के लिए आप क्या करोगे, फर्स्ट टर्म में डी को ऐड करना है. सो A2 इक्वल टू ए प्लस डी. आपके पास ए की वैल्यू क्या है, माइनस 13. डी की वैल्यू क्या है, 5. सो A2 इक्वल टू माइनस 8. सो सेकेंड टर्म ऑफ AP इज माइनस 8. वी फाइंड थर्ड टर्म. थर्ड टर्म फाइंड करना है आपको. थर्ड टर्म फाइंड करने के लिए स्टूडेंट्स आपको सेकेंड टर्म में क्या करना है, कॉमन डिफरेंस ऐड करना है. सो a प्लस d which is a plus 2d. Put value of AD, value of A and D, value of A minus 13, value of D 5, minus 13 plus 10 which is minus 3. So first three term of AP is minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3.